Hey folks, stop paying for AI presentation tools. You've probably tried Gamma AI, Canva, GenSpark, but they all hit you with paywalls. Today, I'm revealing a 100% free AI tool that creates stunning PowerPoint presentations. Convert PDFs, YouTube links, Google Drive files, anything into professional slides in seconds. Stay till the end because this will completely change how you make presentations. This is Parvez Durrani and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create stunning PowerPoint presentations using Google NotebookLM, a powerful and completely free tool that transforms your documents into professional slides. NotebookLM allows you to upload various resources, including PDFs, text files, Markdown documents, and audio files. You can also connect your Google Drive to import documents directly, or even add YouTube links and website URLs for the AI to analyze and interact with. This multi-source capability is what sets NotebookLM apart from traditional presentation tools. By synthesizing information from multiple documents, it creates more comprehensive and well-rounded presentations. For this demonstration, I'm using 3 academic papers focused on artificial intelligence in mathematics education. The first paper is titled Role and Research Trends of Artificial Intelligence in Mathematics Education, which is a systematic literature review that's quite lengthy in nature. The second paper is also titled Artificial Intelligence in Mathematics Education, another systematic literature review examining the field comprehensively. The third paper is by The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly, providing additional perspectives on the same topic. These 3 resources will serve as the foundation for our PowerPoint presentation. Let's upload all 3 documents to NotebookLM. The upload process takes just a few seconds, so you'll need to wait until it completes. Once finished, NotebookLM generates a summary of all 3 academic papers. Notice the heading AI in Math Education, Promises, Pitfalls, and Pedagogy. This is quite a comprehensive summary that addresses both the benefits and risks of AI in mathematics education. The AI's ability to synthesize 3 separate papers into a cohesive summary demonstrates its understanding of thematic connections across documents. At this point, you can interact with your uploaded materials by asking custom questions or using NotebookLM's predefined questions to gain deeper insights. However, our focus today is converting these academic papers into a presentation. On the right side of the interface, you'll notice that Google NotebookLM has recently launched a feature called Slide Deck, which converts your resources into stunning PowerPoint presentations. Let's click on this option and wait for the process to complete. You can see it's now creating a PowerPoint presentation based on our 3 sources. The speed of generation is impressive. What would typically take hours of manual work is accomplished in under a minute. And here it is. At this point, you can share your presentation or play it directly within NotebookLM. Let's preview it. As you can see, this is a comprehensive PowerPoint presentation created entirely from our uploaded academic papers. Each slide features well-structured content, relevant images and infographics, data visualizations, and professional formatting. You can navigate between slides to review each one. The presentation has been created meticulously, with every important detail from the academic papers included beautifully. Notice how the AI has selected appropriate visual elements to complement the text. This contextual awareness significantly elevates the final product. The best part? It's completely free and remarkably easy to create. Once you've reviewed your presentation, you can download it by clicking the Download button. The process begins immediately, and you'll have a fully functional PowerPoint file based on your source materials. But that's not all. NotebookLM also allows you to conduct research on any topic directly within the platform. To do this, click on Discover Sources and enter your query. For example, I'm interested in exploring how AI is impacting human life. You'll see 2 options: Fast Search, which is ideal for quick results, and Deep Research, which is for more thorough investigation. Let's select Fast Search and press Enter. The web search begins, and within moments it completes the process, finding 10 different sources relevant to our query. Let's import these sources. Once imported, you'll see a comprehensive summary of your area of interest, synthesized from all 10 sources. You can interact with this information to expand your knowledge further. Now, let's convert these newly discovered resources into another stunning PowerPoint presentation. Click on Slide Deck and wait for the process to complete. It took approximately 1 minute and incorporated all 10 sources. Let's open the presentation. The slides are comprehensive and visually stunning. Navigate through them to see how every aspect of our prompt has been covered in detail. This is the final version of a PowerPoint presentation created entirely using NotebookLM. And that's how you can create stunning PowerPoint presentations completely free using Google NotebookLM. You no longer need to rely on paid tools like Gamma AI, Canva, or similar services. This is truly a game-changing method to convert your existing files, whether PDFs, audio recordings, or other formats, into professional presentations. You can also leverage the fast search or deep research features to transform your ideas into polished slide decks. NotebookLM democratizes professional presentation creation. For students, educators, and professionals alike, this tool removes both financial and technical barriers to producing high-quality visual content. Give this a try and share your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one.